Hey guys, welcome. And today is July 28th, 2021, and I'm bringing you another contract, Tronsense. And just to recoup, with Tronsense, they have an amazing rate of return right now. They're guaranteeing as much as they can, 8% every 24 hours on your investment. And then you also receive a personal hold bonus of 0.3% for every 24 hours that your TRX remains in the smart contract without withdrawing. And let's just look at what's going on right now. So right now they have a little over 1,600 participants and 8.3 million in TRX that's invested. And let's go ahead and check our wallet right now. So right now, because we've had the TRX sitting for a little while, we have the basic rate of 8% and a whole bonus of 0.6% and 0.2% from somewhere that I really don't understand yet. But right now, just to recap with you, we made an initial investment of 10,000 TRX. We've received referral rewards of 1344.286. And what we have available to withdraw right now is a little over 2,000 TRX. As you can see, for our referrals, we had 6 first level referees, 3 on the second level, and 3rd to 10th level, we have 14. So let's go ahead and do a withdrawal. And if you've been following us, you know that the plan for this smart contract is to withdraw until we've recouped the initial invested TRX, which is 10,000. This is how much we've withdrawn so far. And as you know, with this smart contract, it has a small automatic reinvestment, which is great. And this shows you the amount that we've earned so far. And right now it's looking pretty good. On some people's contracts, they're already up to 9.1% or 9.2%, which is fine. And that's for the hold bonus. And keep in mind also that as long as people are investing, there's small bumps along the way, bump ups in percentage wise. So let's see how this goes. It looks to be going good so far. If you have any questions or comments about Tronsense Smart Contract, please leave a comment in the description or in the note section below this video. Please like and share our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, and I will see you guys tomorrow.